So my guys, I finished cleaning up the balcony. All is set for this laundry business. And this is the machine that I'll be using. It's a mica. So guys, I just came from the cyber and I printed some posters which I'll be using to market our business. So guys, I just came from the cyber and I printed some posters which I'll be using to market our business. So my guys, I finished cleaning up the balcony. All is set for this laundry business, and this is the machine that I'll be using. It's a Mica 8 kg. It's a top load. A top load means that you add water from this section from the top, whereby you add your detergent and fabric softener right there. Lint is collected from clothes is collected from this part, and it can accommodate a very big buffet. Yeah, it's 8 kg. So there's some I'll do in my next video. I'll do a thorough explanation or rather a review of this machine, but yeah, it's Humble Beginnings is the machine that we'll be running our business with. Right now I'll be heading to the cyber, where I'll be printing posters and flyers so that I can go door to door marketing this business, and I'll update you when I get our first client. And I already have an existing cleaning and fumigation business, so we are just adding the laundry service into it. So let me show you the kind of posters that I printed. So there you go. The name of my company is Rihanna Cleaners and Laundry. So initially it was Rihanna Cleaners only, but we rebranded to include the laundry business. So because now these are the services that we'll be offering: the vet cleaning, curtains, shoes, clothes. Then we used to just offer this sofa, carpet, mattress cleaning, deep house cleaning, fumigation services. We also used to do office cleaning. So at the laundry business, we shall be offering free pickup and delivery to our customers within the road. So our home is located along the road. So if you are watching us from that area, especially around Roysambu, Zimmerman, Kasarani, Kahawa West, you can hit us up and tutakujia nguo zako. So guys, the best way you can support us is by subscribing to our channel. Kindly take us to 1,000 subscribers so that we can grow this business and channel together.